living your life. Then you wouldn't have time to worry about mine if you're making your way. Then you wouldn't have a minute to listen to what I say if you're riding that surf. Then you might see me out on that surf. I'm already rolling up and I'm feeling some type of way, cause I'm really with the excess. Come on, let's play, can we get it going? Can we get it going? I'm already rolling up and I'm feeling some type of way, cause I'm really with the excess. Come on, let's play, can we get it going? Can we get it going? I'm already rolling up and I'm feeling some type of way, cause I'm really with the excess. Come on, let's play.
Slow it down now, baby. Slow it down now, baby. Now I know that it's your life, but I guess I can start cause I already had 9. Caparina, baby. Angel Envy, maybe. It's 3 a.m. and we just getting started. Party man coming with a baggie full of marvelous. I know what I look like. Working with these youngins when the kickback do right. You don't want no problems, I don't want no hangover. You can't get no poly if you ain't no soldier. Dreadlock in my style, that all be roster. Girls wanna have fun, I'ma get you 2 nights. Absinthe and 2 ice cubes. Listening to live crew, watch me freak now. I couldn't court you cause you're on too many drugs. And I know the difference, I don't mistake it for love. We off in the tee up and had the time of our life tonight. And please don't kill my vibe, it's a lot. I am a rapper chick, I got morals and standards. Show me you're incredible, it's more for the canvas. I am a scientist, I'm a hell of a mind of a chef grubbing. You will not regret sugar, blue cheese, buffalo, roasted. Garden full of goodies, we saute. Smoker, eating really good, I'm about that action. Dining with a goddess, it's satisfaction. I just love her, shindig crucial. Get in with me and you ascend it, brutal. Love her, you can never recover. Come and get a scoop of this honey lover.
Squash, spinach, broccoli, kiwi. Could be off the poppies or the charts too wavy. Only thing I do not want is mushrooms and baked beans. Won't apologize for being so tame. Sipping on a 40, you adore me, I'm a champion. Excess user, fruits in the basket. Tip your hat if you know that you can slam. Get turned in the mug, write a whole new album. Make no mistake, it's a tedious game when you planning to bloom. But I know just how to handle my goals, so I flow through the moments and get in my zone. Playing at new levels, I'm feasting, I'm eating my spirit potential, I know. Just learn to build a whole garden, now get with your mind, cause there's powers involved. Empower the soul to devour it, all nature calling you home. Insist that you answer, never pretend that you don't want your life. And you should treat your body right, open your sacrum. Rapper chicks handbook can get you aligned, whether it's drugs or cocaine.
You ain't on my swag, you ain't on my swag. You ain't on my swag, swag radar. You ain't on my swag, you ain't on my swag. You ain't on my swag, swag radar. You ain't on my swag, you ain't on my swag. You ain't on my swag radar. You ain't on my swag, you ain't on my swag. You ain't on my swag radar. I'm a monster, yup, I'm a monster. Nicky and the dog, man, tell your boy.